हेलो दोस्तों, स्टाफ नर्स और NORCET 2025 की एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये वीडियो है। आज हम टॉप 50 रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। प्रेगनेंसी, डिलीवरी, PPH, पीडियाट्रिक्स, एनाटॉमी, नर्सिंग केयर सब कवर होगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चंस 1-10 प्रेगनेंसी और ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स। 1. What is the normal duration of pregnancy? Answer 40 weeks. 2. What hormone maintains pregnancy? Answer progesterone. 3. The first milk after delivery is called? Answer colostrum. 4. Normal blood loss in vaginal delivery is? Answer 500 milliliter. 5. What is the common cause of postpartum hemorrhage? Answer uterine atony. 6. Fetal heartbeat can be heard after how many weeks? Answer 20 weeks. 7. The placenta separates from the uterus in which stage of labor? Answer third stage. 8. What is eclampsia? Answer seizures during pregnancy. 9. Which drug is used in eclampsia? Answer magnesium sulfate. 10. Normal weight of placenta is? Answer 500 to 600 grams. Questions 11 to 20 postpartum care or complications. 11. What is puerperium? Answer period after delivery, 6 weeks. 12. What is the purpose of the ABGASCO? Answer assess newborn's condition. 13. Normal ABGASCO at 1 minute? Answer 7-10. 14. What causes morning sickness in pregnancy? Answer hormonal changes. 15. Which vitamin is necessary in pregnancy? Answer folic acid. 16. What is postpartum hemorrhage? Answer excessive bleeding after delivery. 17. Major cause of maternal death in postpartum? Answer postpartum hemorrhage, PPH. 18. How can infections be prevented during delivery? Answer aseptic technique. 19. Postpartum blues usually last? Answer 1 to 2 weeks. 20. What is the normal temperature range postpartum? Answer 36.5 - 37.5 degree C. Questions 21 to 30 pediatrics. 21. Normal respiratory rate in newborn? Answer 40 to 60 per minute. 22. Normal weight at birth? Answer 2.5 - 3.5 kilogram. 23. First immunization given at birth? Answer BCG, OPV, hepatitis B 24. Normal heart rate in newborn? Answer 100 to 160 per minute. 25. Common symptom of dehydration? Answer dry tongue. 26. Oral rehydration solution is given by? Answer mouth, oral route. 27. Normal milestones at 6 months? Answer roll over, sit with support. 28. Normal urine output in children? Answer 1-2 milliliter प्रति किलोग्राम. 29. Vitamin D deficiency causes? Answer rickets. 30. Colostrum is beneficial because? Answer it boosts immunity. Questions 3-40 pharmacology or nursing care. 31. Antidote of heparin? Answer protamine sulfate. 32. Antidote of morphine? Answer naloxone. 33. Which vitamin helps in wound healing? Answer vitamin C 34. Drug of choice in anaphylaxis? Answer adrenaline. 35. Normal urine output in adults? Answer 1-2 liters. 36. Normal pulse rate in adults? Answer 72 per minute. 37. Instrument used to measure blood pressure? Answer sphygmomanometer. 38. Normal hemoglobin in females? Answer 1-2 - 14 प्रति डेसीलीटर. 39. Which drug prevents seizures in pregnancy? Answer magnesium sulfate. 40. Which antibiotic is safe in pregnancy? Answer penicillin. Questions 4-50 anatomy or physiology. 41. First cranial nerve? Answer olfactory. 42. Largest organ in the human body? Answer skin. 43. The part of the brain controlling balance? Answer cerebellum. 44. Number of bones in an adult human? Answer 206. 45. Normal respiratory rate in adults? Answer 12 to 20 per minute. 46. Normal heart rate in adults? Answer 72 per minute. 47. Normal blood volume in adult female? Answer 4.5 liters. 48. Universal blood donor group? Answer O negative. 49. Universal blood recipient group? QNSWER AB positive. 50. Which hormone stimulates milk secretion? Answer prolactin. ये थे आज के टॉप 50 रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन स्टाफ नर्स और NORCET 2025 की एग्जाम के लिए। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा? कमेंट में बताइए। लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए।